In this video, I'm going to show you how to vectorize text quickly and easily so you can turn any font into fully editable vector shapes. Vectorizing text is extremely useful when you're creating logos, graphics, stickers, or designs that need to be resized without losing quality. Once text is converted into vectors, you can reshape letters, adjust points, and customize the design in ways that normal text editing simply can't do. This technique is widely used by designers working in tools like Inkscape, and the good news is that it only takes a few simple steps. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical design tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into the process and learn how to vectorize text step by step. First, open your project in Inkscape and select the text tool. You can activate the text tool quickly by pressing the letter T on your keyboard. Once the tool is active, click anywhere on your canvas and type the text that you want to convert into vectors. This could be a word, a title, a logo name, or any text you want to customize later. After typing your text, you'll need to exit text editing mode. To do this, simply press the Escape key on your keyboard. Another option is to select the selection tool from the toolbar and then click on the text you just created. This step ensures the text object itself is selected, rather than being in typing mode. At this point, your text is still a font, which means it is editable as normal text, but not yet converted into vector shapes. Now we'll convert the text into vectors. With your text selected, go to the top menu and click on Path. In the drop-down menu, choose Object to Path. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+C to do this instantly. When you apply Object Abs to Path, Inkscape converts the text from a font into individual vector shapes. This means each letter becomes a path made up of nodes and curves. After this conversion, the text is no longer tied to the original font file. Instead, it becomes a permanent vector object that can be reshaped and edited freely. This is especially important when preparing graphics for logos, printing, or exporting designs because the appearance of the text will remain consistent even if the font is not installed on another computer. Next, if you want to edit the structure of the letters themselves, you can work with the vector points. Press the letter 1 on your keyboard to activate the Node tool. The Node tool allows you to see and manipulate the nodes that form the shape of each letter. Click on your vectorized text and you will start seeing multiple nodes appear along the edges of the letters. You can drag these nodes to reshape parts of the letter, adjust curves, or create custom typography effects. Designers often use this technique to create unique logo styles or artistic lettering, and that's it. You now know how to vectorize text and edit its nodes inside Inkscape. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.